Hi, friends! I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today, we're going to learn something really fun in math. Subtraction! Subtraction means taking away. If you have something and you take some away, how many are left? Let's find out together. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's imagine you have some apples on the table. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 apples. They look so yummy. Now, you eat 2 apples. So delicious. How many apples are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples left. We started with 5, we took away 2, and now we have 3 left. We can write it like this. 5 minus 2 equals 3. See this little line right here? That's called the minus sign. It means take away. Let's try another one. You have some crayons on your desk. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 crayons. Now, you give 4 crayons to your friend. How many crayons do you have left? Let's count. 1, 2. You have 2 crayons left. That's 6 minus 4 equals 2. You're getting it. Wonderful job. One more. You have some strawberries in your bowl. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 strawberries. Now you eat 3 of them. Yummy. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 strawberries left. We say 8 minus 3 equals 5. Great job, friends. You're doing so well. Now let's try some bigger numbers. I'm going to show you a really cool trick to help. It's called a number line. A number line is just all the numbers in a row. To subtract, we start at the big number and hop backwards. Let me show you. You have 12 stars on the wall. 4 stars fell off. Oh no! Let's use our number line to figure out how many stars are left. So we start at the number 12 and we hop back 4 times. Hop 11, hop 10, hop 9, hop 8. We landed on 8. That means we have 8 stars left. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. See? We hopped backwards on the number line and we found our answer. Let's try another one. You have 15 socks in your drawer. You pull out 6 socks to wear this week. Let's hop backwards on our number line. Start at the number 15 and hop backwards. Hop 14, hop 13, hop 12, hop 11, hop 10, hop 9. We landed on 9. 15 socks and we have 9 left. That means 15 minus 6 equals 9. Amazing! Okay, let's try one more. You have 18 balloons at your party. Oh no! 9 of them flew away into the sky. Let's start at the number 18 on our line and hop back 9 times. Hop 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. We landed on 9. 18 minus 9 equals 9. When you take away half, you get half. That's so cool. You're doing such an amazing job. Now let's play a game. I'm going to show you some subtraction problems. We'll have our number line to help us hop backwards. And you need to tell me the answer out loud before I say it. Are you ready? You have 7 shoes and 3 walk away. That's silly. So we're gonna do 7 minus 3. Start at 7 and hop back 3 times. How many are left? Right, 4. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Great job. Let's try another one. You have 10 cookies and you eat 6 of them. Yummy. 10 minus 6 equals, start at 10 and hop back 6. How many are left? You got it, 4. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Nice work. All right, let's do another one. You have 13 butterflies and 5 fly away. 13 minus 5 equals, start at 13 and hop backwards 5 times. How many are left? 8. That's right. 13 minus 5 equals 8. You're doing amazing. Oh, here's a tricky one. You have 16 building blocks and 7 get knocked over. Oh no. How many do you have left? 16 minus 7 equals, start at 16 and hop back 7 times. Right, the answer is 9. 16 minus 7 equals 9. Wow, great job. Let's do a bigger number. You have 20 fish in a tank and 10 swim away. 20 minus 10 equals, start at 20 and hop backwards 10 times. You could do it. That's right, 10. 20 minus 10 equals 10. Great job, you're a subtraction superstar. You did such a great job today, friends. Let's review what we learned. Subtraction means taking away. We use the minus sign to show subtraction. We can take away objects and count what's left. And we can use our number line to hop backwards and find the answer. Next time you're eating some grapes or sharing your toys, try subtracting. It was so much fun learning with you today. If you had fun today, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new adventure. Bye, friends.